How to get free shipping on Temu app. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Temu and make sure you are logged into your specific account. Well, first thing first, in order to get free shipping on Temu, you must be a new user. So if you have been using your Temu application for quite a long time, then what you can do is simply create a new account. Once you have created a new account and you are a new user, they provide a certain time free shipping offer. All you want to do is just tap on this free shipping at the bottom right corner. For me, you can see the time has already been limited. But for the new users, you will be able to see the time, and during that time, if you order something from Temu, you will definitely get the free shipping offer. So by creating a new account, you'll be able to get the free shipping offer on Temu. You just have to log out from this account and create a new account with your new email address and new password. So that's all, and this was a tutorial video on how to get free shipping on Temu. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.